In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gantt bar colors in Microsoft Project. We'll walk through two reliable ways to change colors in the desktop version, one that updates entire bar categories across your chart, and another that targets a single task for emphasis. I'll also share a few tips to keep your colors consistent and meaningful. Start in a Gantt chart view so you can see the timeline on the right. To change colors for all bars of a certain type, like regular tasks, summary tasks, milestones, or the progress portion, open the Bar Styles dialog. The quickest way is to double-click a blank area of the Gantt chart, not on a specific bar. If you prefer the ribbon, go to the Gantt Chart Format tab, click the small arrow under Format, and choose Bar Styles. In the Bar Styles list, select the type you want to recolor, such as Task, Critical, Milestone, or Progress. Then switch to the Bars tab. You'll see options for Start, Middle, and End, which correspond to the left tip, the body, and the right tip of each bar. Use the color drop-downs to pick your new colors for the sections you want to change. Click OK, and Microsoft Project will apply that color scheme to every bar of that type in the current view, giving you a consistent look at a glance. If your goal is to highlight a single task without affecting others, select that task's bar directly in the chart. Go to the Gantt Chart Format tab and click Bar, or right-click the bar and choose Format Bar. In the Format Bar dialog, adjust the shape and color settings. Again, the middle color controls the main body of the bar, and click OK. Only that one bar will update, which is great for spotlighting a critical deliverable or a task that needs attention. A few tips to make your color coding smarter and easier to maintain. You can create custom bar styles driven by flags or other conditions. Add a new style at the bottom of the bar styles list. Set a condition such as a custom flag field and assign its colors. This lets Project color bars automatically when those conditions are met. If you want a fast, coordinated look, try the predefined Gantt chart styles on the Gantt Chart Format tab. They apply a matching palette across multiple bar types in one go. And remember, any changes you make affect only the current view. Other views won't update automatically, so repeat the changes where needed to keep your project visuals consistent.